हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम माइक्रोबायोलॉजी पेपर फर्स्ट के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। तो जो भी न्यू स्टूडेंट होंगे बीएससी फोर्थ सेम के, वो जल्दी से जल्दी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, ओके। क्योंकि कल के पेपर के हिसाब से वे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहा हूँ, ओके। तो चलिए देर न करते हुए आज की इस क्लास को शुरू करते हैं, ओके। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंड्स, ड्यूरिंग कैटाबोलिज्म ड्यूरिंग कार्बोक्सिलेशन फेज of the Calvin cycle, CO2 combines with option A, option B, option C and option D. So correct answer friend is option A, that is ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, okay. Ribulose 1,5 bisphosphates is correct answer. Now we have jump a next question friends. The second question is that friends, which of the following groups contain many unique coenzymes such as coenzyme M and coenzyme F for 20? Okay, so option A, option B, option C and option D. Which one is correct answer friends? So option C, that is methanogens, that is methane producing microbes, is correct answer. Methane producing microbes is correct answer, okay. Now next question friends, in the passive diffusion, solute molecules cross the membrane as a result of, so option A, option B, option C and option D. So friends, option A, that is concentration difference, is the correct answer, okay. Concentration difference is correct answer, and it is a important questions, okay. It is a important questions. Then next question friends, question number 5, that is radioisotopes are frequently used in the study of cells. Assumes a culture of E. coli is grow in a culture medium containing radioactive phosphorus at the end of 48 hours. It is expected to find the radioactive label located in option A enzyme, option B RNA, option C phospholipid and option D all of the above. So friends, that is option D all of the above is the correct answer, okay. Option D all of the above is correct answer. Then next question friends, assimilatory solve at reduction involve the nucleotide dash during the incorporations of sulfur hydroxide, okay, that is H2S in the production of which? Option A, option B, option C and option D. So friends, option B, that is ATP cytosine should be the correct answer, okay. ATP cytosine is an correct answer. Then next question friends, the chlorophyll molecules used by the eukaryotes and cyanobacteria absorb radiant energy in the dash portion of the visible spectrum. So option C, that is red and blue portions of the visible spectrum is the correct answer, okay. And you know the visible ray of light. So friends, the visible ray of light is, that is 400 to 800 नैनोमीटर रेंज, एंड अल्ट्रावायलेट अगर आपको पूछता है तो 200 to 400 टिक कर देने का, ओके। ये भी पूछ सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है। व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ यूवी विजिबल रेज एंड अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज, वी नो वेरी वेल। नाउ most important question friends, in aerobic respiration the terminal electron acceptor is what? The terminal electron acceptor is option A, that is oxygen is an correct answer, okay. Oxygen is an correct answer. Then next question friends, which of the following biomolecules simply refers to as stop of life? So friends, option D, that is carbohydrates, okay. Carbohydrates is a biomolecule and simply refers to as stop of life, okay. Then next question friends, which of the following is the simplest form of the carbohydrates? So aldehyde and ketone group, that is option number B is correct answer friends. aldehyde and ketone groups is the simplest form of the carbohydrates. Okay. Now next question friends, very important questions. Which of the following monosaccharides is found majority in human body? So option that is number A, that is D type. Okay, so D type monosaccharides is the majority found in human body. Okay, this one also very important questions. Now next question friends, the question is that which of the following is the most abundant molecule on the earth? So friends, option C, that is carbohydrates, is the most abundant biomolecule on the earth is an correct answer. Okay. Now next question friends, which of the following are the major functions of the carbohydrates? So storage, option B structural framework, option C transport material, option D both storage and structural framework. So option D, that is both structural, okay, both structural and framework, both storage and structural framework. So that option is correct answer. That means the option D, both the storage and structural framework should be the correct answer. Okay, should be the correct answer. Now next questions, which of the following is the general formula of carbohydrates? So what is the general formula of carbohydrates friends? We know very well, that is option C, CH2O of N is the general formula of carbohydrates. Okay, next question friends, which of the following is the smallest carbohydrates triose? So friend, that is glyceraldehyde is a correct answer. Option number C, glyceraldehyde is the smallest carbohydrates triose. Now next question friends, digitonin is a what lipid, protein, glycoside and alkaloid? So friends, option C, that is glycoside is an correct answer. Okay, digitonin is a glycoside. Now next question friends, which of the following is the simplest carbohydrates? So friends, option D, that is glyceraldehyde is the correct answer. Glyceraldehyde is the correct answer friends. Glyceraldehyde is the simplest carbohydrates. Then next question friends, this molecule act as a molecular, that is chaperones to assist the folding of protein. Okay, so friends, option D, that is lipids. Okay, lipids is an molecule act as a molecular chaperones to assist the folding of the protein. Okay, so option D is an correct answer. Then questions 2 बोल रहा है friends, which of these is not a lipid? Fats, oil, protein and waxes. So friend, fats, oil and waxes are the proteins are the lipids, but the option C, that is proteins, are not a lipids. Okay, proteins are not a lipid. Proteins are not a lipid. Okay, proteins are not a lipid. Now next question friends, the abundantly distributed enzyme in germinating seeds and adipocyte is. So friends, option A, lipase is the correct answer. Okay, lipase is correct answer. Then next question friends, beta oxidation of fatty acid occurs in option C, that is mitochondria should be the correct answer. Okay, beta oxidation of fatty acid occurs in mitochondria. This one is also important questions. Okay, so beta oxidation of fatty acids होता है वो occurs होता है कहाँ पे, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर. And we know mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Then next question friends, the degree of unsaturation of lipids can be measured as. Option A, iodine number is a correct answer. Okay, the degree of unsaturation of lipids can be measured as iodine number is a correct answer. Now next question friends, and this one is most important questions. The specific gravity of lipid is option C, that is 0.8. Okay, 0.8 is the specific gravity of the lipid. Okay, now next question friends. Now next question friends, which among the following is not polymeric? So friends, option number D, that is lipid. Okay, so lipid is not a polymeric form. Now question number second, the simplest amino acid is what? Glycine, alanine, asparagine and tyrosine. So friends, the simplest amino acid is option A, that is glycine. Glycine is that is simplest amino acid. Now next questions, amino acids are mostly synthesized form. So amino acids होता है mostly synthesized form, that is option C, that is alpha ketoglutarate acid is the correct answer. Okay, alpha ketoglutarate acid is the correct answer. Now next questions, the question number 4, amino acid with the aliphatic R groups are. क्या होगा अमाइनो एसिड्स विद द एलिफेटिक आर ग्रुप आर? तो बताओ फ्रेंड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का क्या आंसर होगा? सो फ्रेंड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का हमारा करेक्ट आंसर होगा दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ग्लाइसिन, एलानाइन एंड ल्यूसिन. Amino acid with the aliphatic R groups are glycine, alanine and leucine is the correct answer. Now next question friends, question number 5, which of the following amino acids is not necessary to be taken in diet? So the correct answer is that option C, that is serine. Correct answer is option C, serine is an correct answer. Serine amino acid is not necessary to be taken in diet. Now next questions, question number 6, an amino acids yielding acetyl coenzyme A during catabolism is what? So the correct answer is option A, that is ketogenic. Okay, ketogenic is correct answer. Now next question, the first amino acids of any polypeptide chain in eukaryotes is. The first amino acids of any polypeptide chain in eukaryotes is, that is option B, methionine. Okay, methionine is the first amino acid of any polypeptide chain in the eukaryotes. Now next questions, amino acids with aromatic side chain are. The correct answer is that friends option number D, that is the phenylamine, phenylalanine and that is tryptophan and tyrosine. Okay, is correct answer. Now question number 9, naturally occurring protein consists of. Naturally occurring protein consists of, that is L amino acids. Okay, जो naturally occurring proteins होता है फ्रेंड्स उसमें L amino acids होता है. Now next questions, question number 10 friends, which of the following amino acid has to be supplemented in the diet? Option A, phenylalanine, option B, that is cysteine, option C, glutamine and option D is asparagine. Okay, so friends the correct answer is what? The correct answer is option A, that is phenylalanine is correct answer. Okay, now next question friends, which of the following act as a chemical reductant in bacterial photosynthesis? So friends option C, that is hydrogen sulfide. Okay, so hydrogen sulfide is act as a chemical reductant in bacterial photosynthesis.